How to lock a screen in KakaoTalk. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how you can lock a screen in KakaoTalk. Let's get started. First, open KakaoTalk application on your device. Now once you are in, tap on this More tab right here. Now here you can tap on the settings icon at the top, tap on it. Now here scroll down and tap on privacy right here. Now you can see lock screen right here, tap on it. Toggle this on like this. Now you need to enter a password, enter it. Now once you enter your password, you need to use the biometric ID to unlock the screen. So in order to do that, go to settings. You can also change password by tapping on change password right here and enter your new password, and in this way your KakaoTalk app will be locked. And that's it. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.